Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I am all zipped up. We are freezing in the Tesla Model S, 100 miles from home. The heater broke. We've got an error message on the dash here. I'll show you guys. So guys, 13 degrees outside. Cabin climate control system requires service. Cabin heating, cooling limited or unavailable. And then we went in here to the service menu, down to, I don't think it's maintenance notifications. There we go. And it says VC front A447 climate control system requires service. So yeah, we're gonna have to take this into the service center. I'm afraid I don't know that they're gonna be able to fix this with a mobile service, but I'll Google that up. We'll see what we can find, see if it tells us what that could be. Well guys, we're going to go ahead and put in our service request here on the app, and we'll see what they come back with. Assuming we're going to have to take this one down to Council Bluffs instead of a mobile service like we've done in the past, so we shall see. So we'll go in here and then go to service. It must be under interior, maybe? Heating and AC. Alright guys, I got everything typed in here, basically telling them it happened when we started supercharging, when we were 100 miles away from home, which sucked, and asking them if we can get a loaner vehicle if they can't get this repaired in a timely fashion. Usually mobile service, not mobile service, but service in general is booked out quite a ways, so we'll see what they say on that. Alright guys, so this is day 2 of trying to get the heater fixed on the Model S. They never did get back to me. They never had any loaner vehicles available, so I didn't drive it into them. I did contact Roadside Assistance here this morning, and since the car has no heat and it's 15 degrees here in Iowa, the windows tend to fog up, so it makes it an issue driving 100 miles away. We barely made it home when we had to do that the other night, so they're going to put it on a flatbed and take it to the service center for us under warranty. So we will report back when they get it all fixed up, and hopefully it will be good to go. Well guys, flatbed has arrived. That is going there. Get it out in the street for him, I suppose. Get my mirrors unfolded. Is the front end going to be okay?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay.
Perfect. That's good. That's good.
Alright guys, day 3 of the Model S heating issue. As you saw, we got it flatbedded down to Council Bluffs, Iowa, to the service center, and they were able to get it in and do a diagnosis on it, and I will show you here on the screen. But basically they found that the compressor, AC compressor, I think it's compressor for everything, so it does more than just the AC, since these newer Teslas have the heat pump system. But that has failed, and when that fails, they basically said that the AC lines get damaged, and the super, what did they call that? Super manifold gets damaged as well. So they need to replace the super manifold, some AC lines, and that compressor. Luckily, they said they had all those parts in stock. So they're going to be attempting to get that all fixed up today. I don't know if it's a one-day job or not, but hopefully they can get it fixed up, because I'm actually supposed to be down in that Council Bluffs, Omaha area tomorrow, this weekend. So it'd be nice if I could pick it up when I was down there. So I will report back how long it takes to get repaired. Hey guys, we made it to Tesla and Council Bluffs. Yes, they did get the car repaired yesterday. That's awesome. So we can pick it up here today. It took them about 4 hours to get everything fixed up. So luckily they had all those parts on hand. So if you did not have a Tesla warranty, all those parts and replacement labor costs would have been $2,800. So glad we still have warranty on this thing, but we're gonna go get in here, because it is 11 degrees outside and 0 degrees with the windshield here today. So glad we have heat again. So if you guys haven't already, please like and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the next video. Have a good one.